There's one. Man, I've never caught a bass smaller than that. Well, there you go, guys. Oh, I caught that on the crankbait. Fish is so small. I mean, this is about the size you get out of this pond. Maybe just a little bit bigger, like about a pound. So, I mean, the biggest one we caught out here was about 1.5 pounds, so that's about the size you're gonna expect, especially on these crankbaits. There he goes. Woo! Brassy. There you go, guys. One on the rattle trap there. That's one's a little bit bigger. Trying to get him cleaned up a little bit better. It's about 1/2 pound to 3/4 pound. There on the rattle trap. I just tied that one off after I lost my crankbait. I'm about to go get it, see what I can catch on the rattle trap. That's not mine though. Oh, that's my line. I was like, that's not my crankbait. I was looking at yours. I was like, that ain't mine. Where was it?
I don't know, it was in the water.
Like where? Obviously
Right
you
there.
saw it.
No, I didn't see it. I snagged the line.
Oh, you snagged it again?
You're welcome.
Now, let's see how much line I did lose.
Here you go. You can pull it now.
I'm probably just gonna, when I get there, I'm just gonna tie the lines together again. Cause look how much line this is. Look,
Hey,
all
you
this.
like my footprint in that ant pile over there? Look. See it?
Hold on. Dude, this is ridiculous how much line I lost. Look,
Oh my god.
I can cast it out, and then look.
That's like 20 feet.
This is how much line I lost. That's a lot. No. Because I got the greater bluegill colors. That's a good one. Oh, never mind. He hit it hard. Jesus. This fish hit it like a rock. Yeah, like it stopped it completely. I came in like a rock. Don't. I've always like hate the fact like if a fish flops and that crankbait shoots out and shoots up, dude, you're gonna be screwed. Hey, stop it. Oh yeah, now you just hooked yourself even more. Now I can't even grab you in a good spot. Come on, hook. No, you're not. Oh yeah, you got yourself good, didn't you? I do not mess with troubles. No, sir. God, you got yourself good. Oh, I just broke his lip. I literally broke his bone on his lip, his bottom lip. But that didn't feel too good, did it? Jeez, dude, come on. You got any, like, pliers on you or something? Yeah, definitely. And there he goes.
Perfect.
Hey, let me see your crankbait real quick. I'm gonna use it to like. Hold on, let me. If he comes off on his own, that'd be great. Woo! Get some nice little action. Woo! There he goes. Good. Yeah.
Oh, there's another one.
Another one? They're probably stacked up on that thing. Which is funny because I threw right in there, so. Oh, I missed one. They're stacked up right there or something. Yeah, I saw them.
Don't you move, fish.
I came in like a rock, like a rock. The song, I came in like a rock. Yeah. I came in like a rock, like a rock. So that's how it goes. I'm about to hook one of these turtles.
Another little guy in the rock up up there.
I'm about to hook one of these things. Oh! One hit me while I was trying to do that on the other side of the tube.
The line is all tangled up in the back of the hat.
Yeah, I know. There he is. Come on, get in here, get in here, get in here. Woohoo! That was cool. Well, as y'all saw there, I was trying to catch that turtle, and he hit on the other side of the tube, and I had to bring him over the tube. So that was pretty cool. That's now 3 fish that me and him have pulled out of there, right off that little tube that's obviously stacked up right there now. Little bitty fish on the rattle trap. Let's see how many we can pull off of there.